this particular process here, this particular process that you guys are going to use like for switching country region of TikTok account you want to create without VPN. I may do that one tutorial differently. So now you use your preferred mail she gets. I don't do one like if you like check the back of check back the video again how I did it. She understand. So now choose date of birth, use your preferred email and password everything. Make sure your password is like enough strong. She understand. So now you're going to be okay now. See now I'm using it like temporary new TikTok, but it's not like mainly temporary. She gets it's somehow like if you need encryption like what they call it end-to-end encryption, yes, so stuff like that. So now verify. You see now I'm going to show you guys like how this thing look like. So now choose nickname or you can skip anyhow. So you choose you write in like this Amira. So like you see this particular way I write this nickname. This particular way is one of the things that okay make TikTok not to like detect easily. You understand? So now watch account created. Now let's check the account region. You guys are going to see that the thing is already like in. Okay, you never confirm me yet, so you guys confirm the mail for like the account to just particularly like stay. She gets. So now send new code. You go verify code as usual now. So after verifying the code now, like OTP one time this verification code now, you know this what I call it, like you know what I mean, sha. So place your one time OTP and one time code. Sorry, OTP is the short form of one time verification. One time password. Sorry. So email updated. Click on no thanks. Only if you want like they get mails. She get. So now when I don't see I'm saying okay, yes, this in the for Dubai stuff, that kind of thing. So now if you just edit your profile like this, though I use multi-clue now, you can not go like yourself say okay, why this thing they do like this? Like some people now feel ask questions to see why this thing like how like you take stuff like that. I use multi-clue now because normally I don't use normal TikTok for not getting you get yeah. So sometimes this thing they take time. Sometimes this particular thing they take time. Especially if you use like clone app, it take a lot of time. So we'll wait if you think okay. We'll just go back to check normal. This is the account assistant. She understand. I can't say okay. Nobody want to say okay, yes, you do like this, you do like this. Tomorrow now, you can't check the region again, you go like switch. So now I go require you if you want start to use this thing, use VPN. Connect VPN to the required location you want create to. She understand. So this thing location will go switch back automatically without you even knowing yourself. Only if they check quite time to time, you get. So this is how you could just set your like for those of now we just want clone the profile. Now like this one I could just set on a profile. You understand? So now if you just like write this particular type of bio, and also we go do copy. So write this particular type of bio. Then after you don't create the account finish, I go advise you make you just private the account first. You understand? For those of now we do cloning like when I want clone the particular direct profile. She understand. So now let's do some kind of translate. I'm not gonna see like I go translate the bio, like I translate that bio to Arabic, so we get that kind of thing. So now you could do like exactly what I do, but change don't use this same type of bio. You understand? So now you see something like this will come up. Though I was having issue to upload this profile picture. You get to before you do this, make sure you have done the profile picture first. She understand. So we will try them again. Okay. I'm not gonna know if this one go even work out safe. Anyhow, sure. So moving on. Try this thing. But if you are using normal TikTok, it will like possibly like work ASAP without taking a lot of time. She understand. So I don't know why they say they even the load. So regarding on note, you go like you know go like rush on this profile editing. She get because some of them now like when I just want like fast like rushing of processing of everything. She understand. So like no, you're not welcoming rushing people here. She get. So my bro, you guys chill first. No rush. Chill as I said. So now you see me, I don't set up profile. Now you could do this particular thing, exact thing. Maybe see me, I dey like do now. She understand. So now basically this particular account now, a new account. Take notes. You feed buy account, do and to same way. It will be more even better than this. She get. It will be very very better. So now privating of the account now. We'll go this way before maybe privating or after privating. She get, but just make sure see this particular setup now. We made the setup. Go there. As you can see, this account don't show already say okay. So now normally now this thing Arab she get account. And even no be like I said, no be the real like no be normal image Gmail I use to open up. I just like encrypted the image or make a note to go on that, make this video not too long. So now this particular place now you go just guys follow the step by step. Yeah, you see now, this is now normally normal TikTok account, they just see Nigeria TikTok account, you go see TikTok Plus there, that kind of thing. So now see this messaging suit, you go see you don't set them up like this. Sure you understand? Set them up exactly like this. And I go let me even use 100 for this if you get 100. But if you use your iOS, don't want to be anything. But mainly 100 you really just do the setup based on the way they be. She understand too. Just like calm down, run this shit. And you can also use the cloner like the way I used. So now see this, like just follow these steps I'm setting up here. I'm going to be like getting it the right way. I'm like doing it. Here you see the account region is already in Arab Emirates. Ability call go city country now. You could know if you don't follow the step where I do. So now set them up like this. Here you get off all this like Facebook friends, contact suggestion. Set them up like this. Delete certain data location. Comment off. So following these steps will make you okay, yes, get the account normal. Like you know go get like too much. Me I no go say like this one now ain't gonna let you like this thing TikTok not to like restrict you. She understand off this stuff. And like I believe like you see waiting like me I did do for you now. It's just very very simple. I just between I guys know normally she understand. And waiting you guys sit down say go and just think of. So off all these things off in and turn on these things I'm like turning on. So now this thing now you guys say now the particular now the basic thing you guys do if you don't want like ASAP restriction. First you go turn on 2FA. TikTok can go like think but she understands. So for those of you guys like that are like leaving this 2FA just like you just see this 2FA stuff and pass it. Make sure the 2FA stuff is turned on. So if you can also like set your language to Arabic stuff to make this thing look exact way and everything. Sure you get. As you can see, you guys are going to be seeing like this caption in Arabic. She understand. So now comment, do normal this thing. So TikTok won't like be like, oh, this guy is a bot. We just kick this guy off, come off our platform. She gets. Remember they're keeping TikTok safe. Like and they're having new policies and everything. She understand. So you don't blame them. You don't blame them. Now you just guys do the normal right stuff. You guys do she gets and you don't really go far. Just comment, Like, and also you can even go to the particular Amira page and everything. So now make I just like do small comments for you. See, even though save gone, observe, see now, I no search for anything. I no search for the Amira stuff if you don't bring the Dubai she. Like the Dubai recommendation for you. She gets, if you set your account the way I set them up now, this kind of thing could so come up. She's this conversation now. So now if you do merchant you feel like package this conversation. Do very like alpha and go very smooth. Or even if you want like learn how the thing be. See this one now, this one created the account recently. Post this particular video. Get 1.9 million views. So Yusuf, if you package and if you see the person real account here. But normally this thing it look like a working account, so maybe all accounts have gonna you get. So most boys still are working boys, you see they use their head and they package number. See stupid all these people they see boys don't even already package and already say the full on. Imagine. And this kind of thing you're not supposed to know they do. Not like you guys are not supposed to be doing this because basically TikTok will automatically like observe you and demote you from their platform. So just see what's happening. See this one now, like I never even search them up safe. You don't bring the particular person we work on self going, don't they bring a page come. See the PM conversation, some of them see the open. So this conversation packaging now in the very like awful for you guys because lately this one offer conversation. She understand. So now maybe the next video I will drop like I could show now the conversation packaging. But now when I don't see this particular this woman page now, some of the comments like old videos, the conversation they open. She gets see now she usually like talk like he drop a main page link for the comments. She understand. So you know if you create page like that, like if you get Facebook this if you want to do profile cloning like this particular profile cloning is out, she gets see how you want to now game voice but bro wagwan all these people they double their this thing, they are like knowledge or acquire a particular knowledge to get this done because normally if you tell me say most of them know how to get this done, she gets see this one at 2.7 this one are boosting. So if you even go this one page, this particular page here too, use that TikTok bot, copy link, then see all these testimonies, then they post them too. But before you post them, you go guys edit them. Remember, you go guys edit them. Even if not just one minimal edit, it's almost like edit this stuff not to be copyrighted. She understand. So now go to my WhatsApp. You see the bot link. Maybe this one is not actually working, but you can check it out. It's working. Or I'll be dropping you bot link also to get it done. She understand. So you guys should stay tuned. But this one now, don't give now like see now you send this bot I'm not sure this bot is working currently. But we can just know say okay, yes, we're not going to use any download that to get those this thing, those testimony proofs. She understand. Do the edit, package the posting. Facebook boys go get this thing normal and clear, and YG boys go get this thing normal and clear for them. But if you're doing this particular video editing posting on TikTok, if you get saga like you understand copyright stuff, you get. So how to edit and how you would like what you could do to edit, I could drop the tutorial after this video. So stay tuned. Make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. Don't skip any parts. We cannot go here say one question we said one particular topic I don't explain before. Peace and love. Don't forget to subscribe.